DiningIn's Prix Fixe corporate catering feature is a nice perk, providing employees with easy access to a virtual food court that includes some of their city's best restaurants, provides a reprieve from the same old lunch options, and can be a great morale booster. Everyone appreciates a quality meal, and Dining In provides a simple and cost-effective program for companies to offer good food in their office. Once your company works with Dining In to create a schedule of restaurants visiting your office, placing an order is fun and simple. To get started, go to your company's personal Dining In website to see the rotating schedule of restaurants available for each day. Browse the available restaurants and select one that meets your appetite and time schedule. Then click through to view your selected menu and place your order. If the company is picking up the tab, provide the billing code that was emailed to you. If you are paying, enter your payment information and complete the order. You're done! Whether you're ordering lunch, dinner, or a meal to take home to your family, it's that easy. Now sit back and wait for your meal to come to you.